Hi guys, it's Mimi, and today we're going to be completing this layout. It's part of my Vintage Blooms collection on the website, and this I printed, just a heads up, with 300 DPI, which I just wanted to mention because I don't think it is of the highest quality. I normally print at 600 DPI, so if you're noticing that, just take note, and when you print, make sure you up your settings. And I'm going to add this photo today. I have no idea where we were, but this is me, my brother, and my sister. I don't know, and there's my mom peeking in front of a giant fossil, I guess. I don't know, but we're gonna put that on there today because I like this album for vintage photos, like family photos, baby photos and things. So that's what I like to do with it. And I'm just taking photos out of this old box that I found. So these like aren't in any albums whatsoever, not even in like just regular paged photo albums. So they need somewhere to be. So I'm going through and putting them in there. And the only thing I need to really cut out on this layout is this little embellishment down here. Okay. And then, yeah, the photo will slide right back in there. And then I'm just going to put down some of my double-sided tape. I like to do it so that the tape goes onto the paper and not the photo. And that's just because I find it easier to stick the photo down and get it centered when the tape is on the paper. I don't know why it works better, but it just does. Sorry, it's kind of hard to get some of the paper up sometimes. But yeah, so you just slide the photo in, center it up, and push down your photo. Since this one has a gloss, I like to use my sleeves so that I don't get a bunch of fingerprints on it. And that's all there is to it. I might add some washi tape or something to it. I have some cute little yellow washi tape. That's what's really fun about these layouts, is that you can add stuff if you want to kind of make it more unique. But you really don't have to. It is kind of complete the way that it is. This is really old. I don't know if you knew this, but I didn't know it for a while. Washi tape does go bad, and I have like a whole box of like 100 washi tapes, and yeah, they're definitely starting to go bad, as you can see. But yeah, I think that's really cute, and this is today's layout. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.